Hey, what's going on, guys? So welcome back to the fifth video, I guess, of the class and object part of Python. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is multi-level inheritance. So we have been talking about inheritance, the single level one, and then we also talked about multiple inheritance. So in this video, we're going to see what is multi-level inheritance. So first, we're going to need to create a class. Let's call it character. Let's carry on with our game stuff, and it's gonna have a method called as run, which is gonna print saying I am running. Simple. And then we're gonna have another class called as dog. Let's call it dog, and this dog now would inherit from this character class because this dog is also a character. Okay, so character, and then def bark. Something like this, grr, or something, some weird noise. Okay, so this is basically the method which we have in this dog class. Now this dog class can also have this functionality, which is run. So basically, since it is inheriting this character class, it also has the function to run. And since we have its own method, it has its own method, which is bark. It can now also bark. Now multi-level inheritance would be if we have another class, and let's call this class as German Shepherd or something. Shepherd. Yeah. And now this class, let's say it inherits from this dog class, dog, and it has a method of bite. And let's print I will eat you alive. Yeah. So this is our German Shepherd class, and this inherits from the dog class. Now anytime we make an object of this German Shepherd class, so anytime we make an object, so that object will have the functionality of this dog class, which is bark. So that object will also be able to use this function. Okay, and then one more thing, that since this dog class inherits from the character class, any object from this German Shepherd class will also be able to use this method, which is run. Now let's create an object and let's see. Let's call it dog1 and German Shepherd, and if you write dog1 period, you can see all the methods that we can use with this object. We have run, which is from the character class. We have dog, we have bark from dog class, and then German Shepherd from its own class. So if I click here and if I run this, it's gonna say I am running. If we again add dog1.bark, I am running, and then this noise, dog dot bite. How was it? Was it in uppercase? Yeah, uppercase. It's dog1.bite. I am running, grr, and then I will eat you alive. So this is multi-level inheritance. So in the next video, we're gonna see what if we have any constructor or the init method in any class, and what happens with the constructor when we use inheritance in our program. That's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video, and if you're new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to go and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get reminded every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.